Okay, so this is a special episode of Cast Eats. So I was out actually buying some other things like new shoes and shit, and I decided to stop over at my local grocery store, or one of them at least. So this is not like from a actual Oriental place or Asian place, which you could probably already tell considering. So this is not probably what some would call authentic. I have been thinking about trying out this stuff. I've had California egg rolls, or sushi, which apparently many say is not actual sushi, or at least that's what my friends tell me. So, since this is my first venture into this, the problem is I also I did grab a set of chopsticks to try to eat with those. Something else I have not ever done. Unfortunately, it was the person who was packing my thing did not pack that, so we're going to be using this because I don't feel like using my fingers. So I'm not sure what this is. I mean, whoa! What the hell? Oh, that'll clean up your sinuses, something fierce. Okay, I do not... Oh, fuck, what? That's the stuff than the Orville, what's his name? Damn, I always forget his name. I never forget the, one of the Mocklins, the, officer. He just picked like a ball of this and just ate it in one go. So, let's dive in. We're going to... I'm guessing this is the nigiri sushi, so, let's try this. And, of course, they're not coming apart. I do not want to... So we're going to go with this one. I don't know what to expect. I've never had, like, salmon or nothing. Well, I'm going to test it out on that later. I still have no idea what the hell this stuff is. So, let's give this a go. Huh. Well, not really all that great. Of course, it could just be because I'm a... Let me see. Let's see if this stuff makes any difference. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. It made a difference, but not... Well, at least I don't have to worry about my sinuses. I got this soy sauce. Let's see if that helps at all. As far as being... So far, yes. Like I said, I've never had sushi before. So, really wanted to try it. Okay, the sushi... Sushi does make it a little bit better. What is this stuff? What is that? Oh, 1 second. Oh. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it. It's not like... Oh, I don't know. I don't know what this stuff is, but by itself, dude, oh god, that's clearly something you do not taste. You're not supposed to eat by itself. It's kind of like this stuff, which man, is that wasabi? Maybe that's wasabi. I don't know. If anyone watches this, feel free to comment about how much of a dumbass I am in the things. All right, let's try these things. These things are, I'm guessing, the salmon rolls, because these things are not salmon rolls. Let's try that. I mean, obviously, I already know what's going to happen with the wasabi thing. Oh, but huh? Maybe it's just because I'm an uncultured swine, but yeah, I'm. If I'm going to honestly say anything, I think that's a shrimp thing. I'm. Wow, I. I don't know what. I don't know what I expected, but this wasn't it. This so far was not it. This was weird. This. Let's go to these things. I guess this is the dragon roll type of deal. And, it's wasabi, this son of a bitch. I love saying that word. Wasabi. Wasabi. Okay, yeah. So far, this is definitely my favorite one. These ones here. These are my favorite ones out of the whole. So yeah. If I'm being honest, I liked these things better. These things didn't have much of anything to them. These things I have no idea. Like, these things here, no idea what to make of them. This is salmon. And I'm guessing, like I said, I'm guessing these are the salmon things, which... Yeah. Yeah, there's... Yeah, I don't know. I mean... Now let's overload that mother effer with some soy sauce. No. Actually, I just like these things less, even more. I just like these things even more with the soy sauce. Yeah. So I'm not going to say it's a complete disappointment. The, let me see what. Okay, so the tuna rolls, which I'm supposing are these things, are probably, they're not terrible. This stuff definitely, obviously for me, I'm going to guess I'm going to get a lot of people calling me an idiot on some of this stuff. But yeah, the tuna rolls, kind of okay. The wait a minute, was that not? Yeah, okay. These things were the nigiri sushi. These were the dragon rolls. I mean, these obviously weren't, like I said, these weren't made. You actually probably tell from the thing that they weren't made by like, but yeah. So, I mean, they're not terrible. I just don't know what I was expecting. Maybe that's it. I just had no expectations into this. So I'm going to have to maybe just finish this up, and I'll probably give a better idea of my thing right after that. So see you in a bit. I'm going this initially I thought this is something I was simply just it wasn't bad, but I would probably never go back to it. No, I'm going to go with no. It's not that it wasn't bad, it's the fact that I will never go back to this. Like the tuna rolls, I did not like the tuna rolls. There's a reason I prefer tuna with anything else. You know, tuna salad, sandwiches and shit like that. not by itself. The tuna rolls just the oh my god, excuse me. The nigiri rolls. Oh my god, those were terrible. I am not. Hey, if you're, the, I am clearly okay. Oh, I never tried sushi. I've never had salmon, and after that, I will never have salmon again. Um, oh god, the only ones I liked out of that entire platter were the what's that? Yeah, the dragon rolls. That was it. I think that was the dragon rolls. The ones that were on the bottom of the screen. Um, but those, I mean, they didn't taste. I don't know. I think there was a little bit of shrimp with that. But shrimp's okay. Shrimp's the only thing I've had. But yeah, the rest of it. Now I'm going to say it. Obviously, this is an acquired taste, unless you're, you know. I did not like it. I said initially this was something that wasn't bad, but isn't something I'm going to go clamoring for. Well, I'm not wrong about the clamoring for it. I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. The tuna rolls, the raw tuna, which it's like, yeah, it's like, well, what do you think's in the tuna salad? Yeah, I get that. But you're not having, it's not just the tuna, you got mayo or some other things, or you have relish and you have whatever you put into your tuna salad. Or sometimes you just throw it on some freaking salad, regular like salad, and then you got all that mess on it. I don't know. But oh god, the salmon killed me so badly there. Yeah. So, and so I have a couple more episodes of Cast Eats I'm planning on. They're going to be a little bit different. Something I haven't. Excuse me. Something I haven't done on this channel in a long time for some personal reasons. So. Hope to see you then. This is Cass. I'll talk to you later. Take care, everyone.